Hey friends, today we are talking about what really moves the market. And now, it's not magical indicators, news, headlines or some kind of luck. Everything you see on chart, it's psychology, fear and greed, hope and panic, confidence and doubt. These emotions paint every single candle. If you want to really make money in trading, you have to understand what's behind price movement. Today I'll share 5 truths about market psychology that will change the way you see the chart forever. When you look at a pocket option chart, you see green and red candles. But they're not just visuals. They're the result of thousands of traders making emotional decisions in real time. A green candle, that's greed winning. A red candle, that's fear taking over. People buy because they're afraid to miss out. People sell because they're scared to lose. Once you start reading candles as emotions, you're not just analyzing price, you're reading the crowd. And the crowd, it's predictable. Ever notice this? You see a signal, jump in early and take loss. Or you wait too long and miss the move completely. That's the market testing your psychology. It punishes impatience, because most traders are impatient. They don't wait for confirmation, they enter on a feeling. And that's why most traders blow their accounts. True trader strange? It's patience. The ability to wait for a clean setup. Be just a little more disciplined than the crowd, and you're already ahead. Let's be honest, 80% of traders don't follow a system. They think the market looks like it's going up. They feel like it's time to enter. They're just trying to get back losses. But markets don't move on feelings. They move on supply and demand, and crowd reactions to key levels and news. If you trade emotions, you become part of the crowd. If you trade a system, you go against the crowd. And going against the crowd, that's where the money is. Picture this. Price approaches a strong resistance level. What happens? People start to panic. If it breaks, price will explode. Some buy, some take profits, some go against the trend. That's why you see long wicks, fake outs and sharp reversals near levels. It's not magic, it's psychology. Don't just draw lines on a chart. Understand what's happening behind those lines, because when you understand how the crowd reacts at levels, you can predict what comes next. Here is the brutal truth. The market loves to go against the majority. You've seen it. Price breaks a level clean. Everyone jumps in along. And boom, sharp reversal. That's a trap. Most people chase the obvious. Big players, market makers, do the opposite. They use mass psychology to take your money. Your job is to spot the trap. If something looks too obvious, be careful. Where the crowd runs, the reversal often begins. Now think about this. If every candle is emotion, if the market tests your patience, if most people trade without plan, where's your edge? It's in being different, in thinking like a trader, not a gambler, in seeing psychology behind every chart. Because once you understand market psychology, you stop being part of the crowd, and you start profiting from their mistakes. That changes the whole game. Let's recap. 5 psychological truths that change your trading mindset. Every candle reflects crowd emotion. The market punishes the impatient. Most people trade with emotion, not strategy. Support and resistance are psychological zones. The market loves to fake out the majority. Remember, when you start seeing emotion behind price action, you stop relying on luck. You start playing by the real rules of the market. Want more deep dives like this? Subscribe to my Telegram channel. Links in the description. I share real-time signals, strategies, and teach you how to read the market like a pro. The market will always test your psychology, but if you are ready, that's exactly where real traders are born.